All right, for today's game, you're going to be making what's called a number web. So, for this number web, what you're going to need is a piece of paper. You could just use the back of a paper you're working on earlier. And you will need something that you can count. Now it can be a snack like cereal or goldfish or raisins or M&Ms, or it can be something just as simple as counters that we have in our math bag, the red and blue ones, or buttons that you've gotten, anything like that, just something you can count, or coins. And you will need to pick a number. I would say pick a number 5 through 9. So it could be 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. It could be any of those numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 8 in the middle of my paper. That was a silly looking 8. Oh well. Now, you do not have to choose 8. You can choose a different number as long as it's numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Now go ahead and put a circle around the number that you chose, and you are going to start making that web. Now, the way you make your web, you'll want to draw a connecting line, and whatever you have, count out 8 of them. So I have 8 Fruit Loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to think of the different ways you can group the number 8. So I can do 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6 make 8. So I'm going to write that. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. That's one way I can make the number 8. I'm going to try a different one. I have to count out 8 cereal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you can't use the same one twice. So I could also say, let's do 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 5 make 8. I'll put them like that so it looks like the dice. Okay, and then I have to write in those numbers. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's do a couple more. I count out my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8, because there's 8 altogether. 4 plus 4. Ta-da! Let's do one more. Count out 8. So I'm counting out 8 cereal because I'm working on the number 8. If you were working on the number 6, if that was the number you chose, you'd want to count out 6 of whatever you have. You count out the number that you wrote in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to do 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 7 make 8. Ta-da! 1 plus 7 equals 8. So you could keep going as many times as you can think of different ways to make that number. Have lots of fun. And one more thing I forgot to mention. Remember to add those lines in to show your webs and the different groups that you made. So this connects to this group, this group, this group, and this line connects to this group.